Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 5 best Christmas card maker apps for iPhone and Android. The holiday season is here, and what better way to spread joy than creating fully personalized Christmas cards? Today, we are sharing the 5 best Christmas card maker apps for iOS and Android to help you craft the perfect holiday greetings. That's it, let's get started. So first off, I would like to talk about the Canva. One of the most popular design apps, Canva offers a wide range of fully customizable Christmas card templates. With its drag and drop interface, you can add your photos, change fonts, and choose from countless festive graphics. It's worth pointing out that Canva is free to use, but there is also a premium version for extra features. What's more, Canva is available for both iPhone and Android devices. Then I would like to take your attention to Greetings Iceland. Greetings Iceland is an easy-to-use app with a variety of Christmas card templates. You can customize cards with text, stickers, and images, then share them digitally or print them directly from the app. It's a great choice for quick, high-quality cards without any cost at all. And then I would like to highlight the Photo app. Photo is perfect for those who want to combine photo editing with card design. It offers stunning filters, festive overlays, and fully customizable templates to create one-of-a-kind Christmas cards. Available for free with in-app purchases, Photo is a must-try for iPhone and Android users. Then I would like to take your attention to Pic Collage. For a creative touch, Pic Collage lets you combine photos, stickers, and backgrounds to make beautiful Christmas cards. You can start with their Christmas templates or design from scratch. The app is beginner-friendly and fun, with both free and premium options. And finally, I would like to take your attention to Adobe Express. If you're looking for professional quality cards, Adobe Express has got you fully covered. The app offers advanced customization tools and stunning templates to create unique holiday cards. It's available for free with optional premium features for added creativity. And there you have it. These apps let you design personalized cards quickly and easily. So, whether you are creating digital greetings to send online or printable cards for traditional mailing, you'll find the perfect tool among these options. No matter your design style or skill level, these apps make spreading holiday cheer effortless. Now, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more festive tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.